How to match audio in Davinci Resolve. To match audio in Davinci Resolve, you have to follow this steps for efficient synchronization process. So open this edit page, navigate to the edit page in Davinci Resolve here. Go to this media pool and import the audio and video clips that need synchronization. Now you have two primary methods to sync audio with video. Very first thing is that select your clip, as you can see here. Highlight all these clip and video clips you want to sync in the media pool. Right click on the selected clip. From the context menu, select Auto Sync Audio. You will see this option based on timecode, best for professional setup using timecode, and the based on waveforms, suitable for most cameras, whether it's DSLR, smartphone, where audio is recorded separately. You can also choose to appear, pen track or replace existing audio based on your needs. If automatic syncing does not yield satisfactory result, you can manually align clips. Use visual cues like claps or spikes in the waveforms to align the audio manually by dragging clips on the timeline. Adjust this portion of audio clips until they match correctly with the video. So this is how you can do so. There's several methods which I have shown you. Thanks for watching this video.